Lena, a professor of cellular biology and former soldier in the U.S. Army, is being questioned. She was the only participant in the expedition that left for the Shimmer, an unusual zone, to return. 3 years ago, a meteor that fell inside a lighthouse in Florida's St. Mark's National Wildlife Refuge gave rise to the Shimmer, which is presently growing and enlarging its sphere of influence. After a year away, only Lena's husband Kane returns home from one of the many planned exploration excursions. Kane's condition rapidly worsens and he is unable to describe where he was or how he returned. When Lena phones for help, security personnel intercept her and Kane and take them to a hidden location. Lena joins psychologist Dr. Ventris as she prepares a fresh experimental expedition into the Shimmer while Kane is placed in intensive care. Josie, a physicist, Anya, a paramedic, and Cass, a geomorphologist, are the other 3 women that take part in the expedition. Beyond the Shimmer's domain, communication devices break down, and the expedition comes across oddly altered flora and fauna. An albino alligator with many concentric rows of teeth attacks Josie. The crew discovers a video message from Kane's mission at an abandoned military installation. In it, Kane uses a knife to open the abdomen of another soldier, revealing crawling intestines. The soldier's corpse, which has grown into an overgrown lichen colony, is discovered by the gang. A mutant bear attacks the base at night and snatches Cassie away. Lena discovers Cassie's disfigured body later. Josie investigates plants that have evolved into humanoids in an abandoned town. She hypothesizes that the Shimmer acts as a prism, warping and changing everything that comes into contact with it, including the DNA of the expedition members. After witnessing her fingerprints change, Anya becomes so paranoid that she disarms the other members, ties them to chairs, and accuses Lena of killing Cassie. The mutant bear reappears and uses Cassie's voice to entice Anya away with a call for aid. Anya is killed by the bear, but Josie manages to free herself and shoots it. Ventris departs from the gathering and makes her way to the Shimmer's center, the lighthouse. In an attempt to escape a similar destiny, Josie lets herself refract into a humanoid plant because she thinks Cassie's dying mind was refracted into the bear. Lena finds Kane's body and a videotape at the lighthouse after following Ventris there. In the video, Kane instructs Lena to be found before using a phosphorus grenade to end his own life. Following the explosion, Kane's twin enters the frame. Lena discovers Ventris inside the meteor-created hole, and she informs her that everything will soon be engulfed by the Shimmer. After that, Ventris transforms into a shimmering cloud that takes up a droplet of blood from Lena's face and transforms into a shimmering, humanoid creature that has no face and moves in sync with Lena. Unable to flee, Lena coaxes the creature into setting off one of Kane's abandoned grenades as it changes into a replica of herself. Lena disappears as she runs from the flaming lighthouse. When Lena goes to see the Kane doppelganger, he is unsure if he is actually Kane. She doesn't respond when he asks whether she's Lena. Their irises sparkle as they embrace.